All right, let's talk about some 3D figures and classify some solids. A polyhedron is going to be made up of polygons and there will be no curves. And you will have faces of the polyhedron, which are all polygons. You'll have edges. You'll have vertices where the edges meet. And you name them by the shape of their base. Now, if you end up with two bases, you're going to call it a prism. But if there's one base, it will be a pyramid. The two bases will be congruent and in parallel planes. All right, so let's talk about naming them. In this figure right here, I have the front and back, which are the bases. So there's two bases. It'll be a prism. And these are rectangles. So I could call this one a rectangular prism. Okay, on this one right here, there's only one base, so I will call it a pyramid. And the shape of this base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this will be a hexagonal pyramid. Now this right here is not a polyhedron because of the curve, so I'm only going to call him a cone. He's not a polyhedron. All right, let me show you a place that you would really like to go to, especially if you're a teacher. Let me turn this light off here. Okay, if you go to NCTM, the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics.org, and search for illuminations and geometric solids, you're going to get this awesome interactive thing that you can work with to understand these shapes. Now, normally you can touch this thing and twist it and turn it, and I could at first, but I can't now, and I don't know what to do to make it work again. But anyway, it can be zoomed in and out. You can change to do tetrahedron. You could do octahedron. You can do dodecahedron, and you can spin them around. You can color them in. So let's say we were talking about, well, what are the faces? And it'll count them for you. Now, if I could literally turn it around like it's supposed to work, it will keep a count on it. Since I can, I'm just going to open it up and let you see what this looks like as the net. And then I can count those faces. Okay, 12 faces. I could also change the colors and count the vertices and the edges. You can do those with different colors. You can close it back up as a solid. And when you get through counting them all, it will tell you exactly how many there are. If you show the total, it'll tell you whether they're 12 out of 12, you got 1 out of 30, you got 5 out of 20. Okay. Then cube. Okay. Like I said, you should be able to twist that. So this is a really neat website that I think you will enjoy working with.